We are seeing a phenomenon that I have never seen.
The next stock that will increase like GameStop. The current state of the GameStop stocks, according to some, is a result of the true power of the internet, or more specifically, the power of social media. There was a massive surge in interest in GameStop stocks, which created history in and of itself. If you think I'm exaggerating, then just take a look at this chart of the GameStop share. See how it skyrocketed in January? If you're feeling the pain of missing out on GameStop stock's incredible rise, then we have you covered. In this video, we'll be covering some stocks that have the potential to give a performance boost similar to the GameStop stocks. So let's jump right in. So what happened to GameStop? Just for the few of you that may still be out there who are unaware of this GameStop incident, you would probably be surprised to find out that the struggling game retailer's stock ended up on a Reddit forum called WallStreetBets, which is the reason behind the massive surge in this stock. As some hedge funds of Wall Street had bet heavily against GameStop, WallStreetBets decided to buy into GameStop shares. Acting in unison, they pushed the stock price high, dramatically leaving the finance world shocked. On December 20th, 2020, GameStop shares were selling around $15, but on January 29th, 2021, the GameStop shares reached a price of $347 per share. The stock shot up more than 2,800%. That is a big number. Some even posted screenshots of them turning a $400 call option into 7-digit gains. Even the world's richest man Elon Musk was caught tweeting about this stock, which helped push it more forward. But if you think that you are too late in this new finance world system, then we have created a list of some stocks that can see a breakout like GameStop. 1. Fiverr International. Fiverr nowadays is synonymous with words like freelancing or gig work. Fiverr provides a platform that connects clients with gig workers. So as the pandemic saw a great economic recession, it also saw a major flow on the freelancer sites. Faced with layoffs and a new remote-to-work dynamic, tens of thousands of Americans have turned to self-employment during the pandemic in 2020. This boom in self-employment is in turn responsible for the boom in Fiverr stock. Bringing larger enterprise customers on board its platform will play a big role in Fiverr's long-term growth. But the business is already posting impressive momentum. In the year 2020, the stock rallied more than 779%. The company expects full-year revenue in 2020 to increase to at least 74% over 2019 to $186 million. According to the third quarter report of 2020, its revenue was $52.3 million, an increase of 88% year over year because of a 37% year over year surge for net active buyers. So there is a good chance the company will be able to surpass management's midpoint target for sales growth of 74.5% this year. 2. BlackBerry. You remember BlackBerry, right? The company that incorporated those keyboards on phones before the smartphone era? Well, this Canadian multinational software company is facing a pretty bright future. BlackBerry was able to make a grand entry in 2021 as its stock started the year at $6.58 per share, but in a 9-year high of $25.10 on January 27th, rising nearly 200% year to date. With the company's enormous potential, it is easy to forget that BlackBerry stock has been trading sideways for most of 2020. Well, BlackBerry does have its reasons for making it reach that height, and if you keep up to date with the current activity of this company, you will know what I'm saying. BlackBerry's rally started in early December after the company announced a partnership with Amazon Web Services to develop Ivy, a new cloud-based automotive platform based on its embedded operating system QNX. In January of this year, BlackBerry announced another automotive deal with Chinese tech giant Baidu, which will integrate QNX into Baidu's maps in forthcoming electric vehicles from GAC Group. 3. CrowdStrike Holdings. With the pandemic going on, people are locked down in their house. And what is the way they're keeping up with their friends and family and also the world? Internet, duh! So, as more people are getting online, the cybersecurity concept also gets more attention, especially after the SolarWinds hack. So the cybersecurity stocks are no doubt growth stocks, and CrowdStrike is specifically on the top of that list. With more businesses than ever creating an online presence and moving their data into the cloud, the onus of protecting its information is falling on third-party providers like CrowdStrike. The cloud-native Falcon security platform of CrowdStrike is a really good endpoint protection platform. Since it was built in the cloud, its response time often beats its competitors, and it's cheaper than running on-premises security solutions. This company is showing some great growth. They started 2020 with 5,431 customers, and in the third quarter of 2020, it rose 55% to 8,416. There was also an 86% increase in revenue to $232.5 million according to the December report. Having already reached its long-term subscription gross margin target, CrowdStrike looks like a very good stock to own. 4. AMC Entertainment. The cinema operator was on the verge of bankruptcy in recent weeks. AMC Entertainment has been struggling to stay operational during the pandemic and had to shut down operations most of last year. So, some on Wall Street tried to make some profit out of it, and then Reddit happened. And now, with fresh funding to keep the company afloat, bankruptcy is out of the picture as AMC stocks skyrocketed more than 235% by the end of January to a price of almost $20 from the year's starting price of $2. The revenues were declining for the first 3 quarters of 2020, but theaters are reopening as vaccine distributions rise. Hoping situations will improve and AMC can continue its run, it's a good stock to have. If you are searching for other investment opportunities, Bitcoin is another thing you can invest in to try and get rich. Elon Musk is doing that right now. To know how, tap on the tab on the top of your screen. Well, that's it, everyone. Hope we could give you some good ideas about some of the stocks with the potential to be the next GameStop. For new videos from this channel, remember to subscribe to join the Six Figures Club and follow along on the journey to wealth.